and advice from some of you newer hams. Question and answer session. Question: should I take down my antennas, my test antennas, to mow the grass? Answer: no. You never take down your test antennas. Never, 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 never take down your test antennas for any reason. Wifey, your wife may beg to differ, but that's why the support wires must clear the hood of the mower. Hang on. Now I don't know if you can hear me. When does that ever stop? The video production of it. And I use the word production. Let's see what's happening here, folks. There we go. Cleared one, cleared them both. Slid by that one. Let's try that. This is ham radio from the streets and or the gutter. No. See what we got going on here, man. Don't want to squish the tripod. Hi, Mr. Coax. Ooh, funny we should end up looking at that. Oh my. Does it outperform the DX Commander? Of course not. They're both quarter-wave verticals, silly. 73.